Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE Motorhome combines performance, luxury, and the freedom to travel. Exterior. Despite its increased size, the design will focus heavily on aerodynamics for driving stability and fuel efficiency. Wind resistance will be reduced since the body lines will be flowing. The recognizable daytime running lights will be included as standard, along with adaptive multibeam LED headlights. A skylight in the bedroom and panoramic windows in the sitting room. The main entrance will be a large side door that slides electrically. Large alloy wheels with high-gloss black or chrome details and a unique design. Interior, navigation, motorhome features, and vehicle information will be shown on the user-friendly, curved MBUX Hyperscreen. Both the front passenger seat and the driving seat will have 180-degree swivels. A large capacity compressor refrigerator with freezer, a microwave, a combined oven, a stainless steel sink with extension tap, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and an intelligent storage cabinet with lockable drawers while driving are all features of the galley. A fixed double bed at the back will serve as the primary berth. The best temperatures will be maintained via a smart TV that folds out or is hidden, onboard Wi-Fi, and separate heating and cooling systems for the living rooms and cockpit. There will probably be a selection of potent and effective hybrid or plug-in hybrid powertrains available for the 2026 GLE Motorhome. If a diesel or gasoline engine is offered, it will be a very potent and efficient version, perhaps with mild hybrid technology. The 9G-tronic automatic transmission is a quick and silky automatic transmission that makes driving more comfortable. Simple smart home technology will be integrated into the car, giving consumers control over the temperature and lighting. It will have a rooftop solar panel for continuous charging, and a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack will feature wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, Wi-Fi, and 5G connectivity for streaming and remote working. Flexibility to change the vehicle's ride height when parking.